Why should you choose Jhones Flooring Installation Services Incorporated? When you are looking for a professional with more than 11 years of experience in the tile and hardwood industries, with hundreds of delighted clients, you have one company to choose from, and that is Jhones Flooring Installation Services.
Hey guys, I'm here with Beta and Michael, and I'm just asking you guys what you guys think about my work, my bathroom, the floor. What do you guys think?
I love it.
Thank you.
Your work is phenomenal. You work extremely hard, you and your crew. You guys show up when you say you're going to show up, and you are just very meticulous about everything that you've done. And I will definitely refer you and also use you again, especially we have another project coming up. But the flooring in here and the bathroom, the floor, the tile, it's all absolutely beautiful. And
Thank you so much.
Do you have anything to say?
I mean, I love the work, I love the quality of the work, I love the craftsmanship, and your work ethic is fantastic. So,
and it's very hard to find people like that.
All right. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right.
Jhones Flooring Installation Services is a registered company in the state of Georgia. Our company is fully insured. Before we start any project, our insurance company will issue an insurance certificate to you. When you hire us to take care of your remodeling project, you will receive a top recommended service that is very affordable, highly recommended, and our attention to detail is second to none. After you do some research online about Jhones Flooring Installation Services, you will find out that we have tons of video testimonials from very satisfied clients, tons of online 5-star reviews and recommendations. So just check out what some of our clients are saying about us.
Jhones did a really good job on our floors.
We love the work that you did. Definitely like way above par.
Yeah.
You know, compared to some other tile places that we looked at. I mean,
We are really happy with the job that they have done for us.
this is just amazing work for sure.
It looks really good, really clean.
The floor turned out amazing. Everything just was done great, but also just quickly.
I would be happy to have him do future jobs for us as well.
Everything turned out just way
All right.
above our expectations. Yeah, fantastic.
Thank you.
So much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you for thank you.
You see, that's the reason why we work so diligently. Your satisfaction is our #1 goal. You can rest assured that the company owner will supervise, execute every project, never subcontracts. You can see the pictures and videos from the owner all over the web. Call us directly on our cell phone numbers 678-730-0514 or 770-231-8479. Or to find out more about us, please visit our website www.jonesflooringinstallation.com. Thank you, and God bless you.